Hello, welcome to Kitchen Basics 101, where I teach you the bare bone basics as if you've never cooked a day in your life from the perspective of a mom. Don't worry about my shoulder. It's just a cupping mark. If you've ever had that done, that's all it is. I get a lot of shoulder pain. So I'm going to call this girl dinner, but full disclosure, I'm having it for breakfast, but it's noon. So it's really not, it's lunch, right? It's girl lunch. But I've been eating this for girl dinner. So I already showed you guys one of my cottage cheese toasts. And then I showed you this salad that I had at my girlfriend's house. And essentially, I'm going to combine those two things into what is currently my favorite obsession. So I toasted a piece of sourdough, and I only cut it in half now because I don't want to have to cut it in half later when all the stuff is on top of it, if that makes sense. I'm going to start with the Good Culture cottage cheese, which is my current obsession. I'm back on it again. I'm eating it all the time. I have containers and containers full of it because I've just been really in like a girl dinner mood lately where I'm just having like more snacky stuff. So I'm going to put a nice pile on each side of my toast. I'm going to spread it out a little. That's gorgeous. It's all spread out. And I'm going to get out my cutting board and I'm just going to cut up some olives like we did for that salad. Hold on, let me get a spoon. Smaller slotted spoon, because someone in the comments was like, you got to use a slotted spoon to get the olives out, but all my slotted spoons are like giant. So I'm going to take a couple of these green olives. These are the Italian ones, which I love. I don't know how to pronounce that name, so I'm not even going to try. And you could like really like chop this up if you want to, like in like a tapenade, but I just do it into fourths and I put them, you can't really see, but here I'll show you. And then I just put them all around here on my toast. I'm gonna add a little Kalamata olives. And I just want you to imagine for a minute the possibilities here. Instead of, let's say you don't like cottage cheese, this could be cream cheese. This could be whipped feta. You could do a whipped feta here. And on top, this could be, I'm putting olives. Delicious. I love them. You could also put roasted red peppers. Like just think antipasti, right? This could be eggplant. Like there's so many options here for a delicious high protein, right? You got 16 grams of protein easily here in your cottage cheese, couple grams maybe for your olives. The sourdough here is an 8 grams of protein per slice sourdough. So, you know, we're getting a good high protein meal here and it's not very caloric. Like olives aren't very caloric. The cottage cheese isn't very caloric. Very cool. Then you can chop up some fresh cucumber. I happen to have some cucumber that I had put in a little bit of vinegar. So this is just cucumbers with a little bit of vinegar. So I'm going to put a little bit of cucumber on here for just a little crunchy veggie freshness. A little sourness because I've got a little vinegar on them. Okay. That piece is too big. We'll just eat it. It's too big for the toast. A couple pieces of that. Oh my God, I'm getting so excited. It's piled so high. How am I going to get this in my mouth? That's going to be the question. The olives and everything is salty, so just the tiniest little sprinkle of salt, nothing crazy. And then black pepper. Oh, this is going to be really good. Then I'm using the balsamic reduction. This is just balsamic that has been cooked down, so it's thicker, it's sweeter, it's glazier, right? Imagine that honey drizzle we do on the chili version of this, the chili crisp version. It's the same vibes. This is giving a little sweetness, a little touch of vinegar, a little oomphy oomph. Then the piece de resistance is these honey roasted chickpeas. I bought these at Sprouts. My girlfriend bought hers at Smith's, which is the equivalent of a Kroger here in Las Vegas. So if you have a Kroger near you, they should probably carry these. They are so delicious and crunchy. I feel like I need to like press everything down. It's all falling off of here. Nestle everyone in. So then you've got like creamy, salty, sour, sweet, crunchy, like you're hitting all of those elements, which I think make a great meal. This came together in less than 5 minutes. It's packed with protein and it's going to be freaking delicious. Cleaned up my space a little bit, so now we can do our tasting. Like, how gorgeous is this? Oh, I'm so excited. I can barely stand myself. Ready? my goodness. The way I love easy food. That is satisfying. Oh my God. Such a great summer dish. Such a great lunch. Such a great girl dinner. So quick, so easy, packed with protein, packed with nutrition and fiber and good stuff, but also just like really delicious. Like just the most delicious Mediterranean, sweet, salty, savory, briny, vinegary, just magic, like pop, pop, pop in your mouth. Obsessed, love. Thanks to my friend who made me this salad last week.